Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and book accommodation on booking.com. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and simply go ahead and search for booking.com. Once you've done that, you're going to be on this page right over here where you can select a lot of things like stays, flights, car rentals, attractions, airport taxis, and more. Simply go ahead and click on stays, and on here you want to simply go ahead and put the location you are heading to. You want to simply go ahead and put the date that you're heading to, and simply go ahead and add how many people are going. So simply go ahead and click on search, and as you can see, hotels will start popping up right over here. Now all you need to do in order for you to go ahead and book one that you like is simply go ahead and click on that, and simply go ahead and click on reserve. Once you've done that, it's going to take you right over here. So as you can see, your choices: free, cancellation, pay in advance, and many more. So simply click on I'll reserve, and once you do that, it's going to take you to this page right over here. Go ahead and enter your name, your number, and once you go ahead and click on next final details, it's going to ask you for your card details, and you will confirm your reservation. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.